Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Nothing Ear 2 Black Edition. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $150. Now on a side note, I got these from my favorite website, Uncreate. Now, if you watch my channel, that's where I get all my Marshall speakers from. That's where I got the Porsche speakers from. That's where I got the Nothing phone and the Nothing earbuds from. I got a bunch of gadgets from them. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you one more that I got that I can't wait to take out of my backyard. All right, so let's get right into it. First, let's take a look at the website. Now, this is Uncreate.com. I'm calling this the new sharper image. I love this website, okay? They got something for everybody. They got gear, styles, cars, tech, shelter, vices, body, and more. Okay, now this is a real AP right here, $73,000. A little bit out of my price range, but I don't mind window shopping. Let's go to tech. Now hit me up in the comments and let me know what y'all want to see next. But let me show you what I'm getting. The Sony PlayStation Portal. Okay, $200, wirelessly stream your PS5 to any room in the house. I need that. Let's see anything else we need to check out. Check out the Supreme sound sticks. Okay, now I got the original ones. These look fire. Let's see. Okay, here's the Nothing earbuds. Okay, $150. Let's see. DJ turntables. Now I know my girl is going to love this. The Louis Vuitton camera bag. You got non-lethal firearms. Y'all already seen the Nebula. And of course, if I order the Nothing earbuds, I had to order the Black Nothing phone. Okay, so make sure you check out Uncreate.com. And ladies and gentlemen, late but still great, White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white
shoes. Calm down. Okay, here we go. Now, this is not going to be a full review. I already did a full review on the original Nothing Ear 2s. I'll leave a video link for that right here. Now, if you watch that video, my biggest gripe was these don't come in black. Well, guess what? Now we got them in black. Now, in order to set the theme, of course, I had to order a new Nothing phone because y'all remember the cracks that I got on the back of this one right here. It's kind of looking a little peasantry right here. I don't like that. So we got the Black Nothing phone. Okay, straight from Uncreate. Look at this. Okay, official tissue. Set that up. And the Nothing Ear 2 Black Edition. All right, so I'm going to make this video as quick as I can. Let's go ahead and pop these open. Y'all seen the presentation already. Okay. Of course, inside, got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. This is going to be different size ear tips. Of course. Now, I love this cable right here, too. Okay, this is a Tango Freestyle cable. Has a nice little coating around it. USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Okay, let's see anything else. And here, this should be the different size ear tips. Okay, here we go. Different size ear tips. And of course, the coup de grace. Nothing Ear 2 Black Edition. Now, I've been waiting for these for a minute. Check these out. Let's get them, pop them open. Bang, look at that. Nothing Ear 2 Black Edition. Now, real quick, let's put them side by side with the whites. Now, the thing about the white ones, I love these too, but they get dirty so fast. Okay? Now, one quick side note. Y'all see I got 1,001 earbuds. These are not the best earbuds on the market. I do have ones that have better noise cancellation and sound better and cost more. But these are easily my favorite looking earbuds. And if you got a Nothing phone, you need these. Okay, let's take them out. Now, inside the case, of course, you have the dot system, red and white. So this way, you see the red dot goes on the red side. So you easily always know which way your earbuds go back in the case. No fumbling around. Let me show you how they look close up. Matter of fact, let's palm these real quick. I just came back from the gym. So I got the post-workout shakes. Here's how they look. Beautiful. Black with the transparent style. And now these are not going to get super dirty. And if you got a Nothing phone, you could do stuff like this. Let me show you. Okay, so from your Nothing phone, all you got to do is go to, okay, let's go to power save, battery share. Go to battery share. And look at this. How dope is that? So now, if you got the white, yeah, I say go with the white. But if you got the black, you can wirelessly charge these right from the back of your phone. Let's do that one more time. This is all you got to do. Open up your phone. You're going to go to, okay, power share. Turn that on. Drop your earbuds on the back. You get that little animation, and they're charging right up. How dope is that? Like I said, I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. The Black Nothing Ear 2s. Again, watch my full review on these. I love these. Are they worth $150? Guaranteed. Okay? Guaranteed, worth every penny. You're going to love these. Sound quality is amazing. Active noise cancellation is pretty damn good. But most importantly, the look. How dope do these look? Okay, so this is the Nothing Ear 2 Black Edition. Oh, I love that. Let's see. Hold on. Let's try. Matter of fact, let's try to do a little mix and match. Why not? Let's see. Let's go to battery share. Okay. Oh, that's nearby share. Real nice, real nice. Let's see. Where's the battery share at? Okay, that's nearby share. Battery. Okay, battery share. Bang. Okay, let's mix and match. Okay, so here's how the black look with the white. But I say keep it in the family. I keep it like this. Ah, this is so dope. Now, there's one more thing I want to show you from Uncreate. Okay, now the video's already over. But like I said, this is one of those websites that it's like a rabbit hole. As you start shopping, you're going to find something you want. Check this out. I brought these. Now I gotta zoom out a little bit. I'm getting ready to take these in my backyard. All right, these are from Uncreate. Check this out. The boxing gloves. Now, I do have, this is definitely not gonna fit on camera, but I'm gonna show you real quick. I got this right here. This is a full-size punching bag. Okay, now I'm just gonna pop it open a little bit. So we can see. Okay, yeah, this is a big leather punching bag. We're gonna set this up, but I want to take a look at the gloves. Let's go ahead and pop these open. Look at this. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Now let me see. Let me drop these on real quick. Oh, this is a nice size too. I'm gonna have to hit the neighborhood up. All right, find some of my local crackheads. Paid them a couple of dollars and see if they could let me get about 26 punches. But all jokes aside, I want to take these. I'm going to set up the punching bag in my backyard because I'm trying to get back in shape. So we got the Uncreate boxing gloves. Now let me show you how they look. This is too much fun. Hold on. Let me put my watch just popped off. Check this out. Okay, so these do have a nice Velcro strap, like Alcantara right here. High quality on these. I don't know how many punches to the face I'll be able to take with these, but we're going to find out. Anyway, like I said, check out Uncreate.com. This is the Nothing Ear 2 Black Edition. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. And let me know if y'all want to see anything else from Uncreate.com. All right, so one last side note. Just in case you're wondering how they're going to look in your ears, check this out. Now, this is the black versus the white. Both of them look dope. Easily my favorite looking earbuds. But the black looks a little bit more discreet, and they're definitely not going to get as dirty. I am feeling these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah. one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Enterprise.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.